Maya. It's taller than you. Good for you. Now keep it quiet. I'm busy. You're just mad because my tower's better than anything you could build. Oh no, I'm so jealous of your masterpiece. Should I call the museum now? Mom, Maya's being mean to me.
Both of you, stop it. Noah, don't yell. Maya, leave him alone.
He started it. Did not.
Can we get 5 minutes of peace in this house? 5, that's all I ask.
Oh, please. Like you don't already get your peace every Sunday watching the Quipdale Eagles for 3 hours straight.
3 hours? It's not every Sunday.
Oh, right. Just every Sunday, Monday, and Thursday during football season.
At least it's more entertaining than Sweetheart Shores.
Excuse me? Sweetheart Shores is a beautiful series with real drama and heartfelt moments.
Real drama? Wendy, half the characters came back from the dead last season.
Mom, are you going to tell her to say sorry?
Noah, I already said stop yelling. Maya, stop teasing him. Both of you, just stop.
This house is impossible. How's anyone supposed to watch the game with all this going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. Are the precious Eagles having a hard time focusing?
You know what? Fine, I'll just go to Jungle Jams. At least it's quieter there.
Sure, because nothing says peace and quiet like a rowdy bar.
Well, it's better than this circus.
Man, what a game. Did you see that last play? A touchdown in the final minute? It was epic.
Yeah, it was great.
You don't sound too convinced. What's up?
Honestly, I barely noticed the game. My head's all over the place. Wendy and I keep arguing over the smallest things. The kids are always fighting too. It feels like there's no peace in the house anymore.
That sounds rough. You know, I have a friend who's a marriage counselor. She's great. Helped my cousin and his wife turn things around.
A counselor? I don't know, Seth. That's not really my thing. I mean, I don't even know if Wendy would be up for it.
You won't know until you ask. Look, Carson, if you're both unhappy, it's worth a shot, right?
Yeah, maybe you're right. I'll think about it.
Carson, are you seriously just sitting there when Noah's toys are all over the place?
I was gonna clean them up. I just needed a break.
A break? From what, watching TV?
Here we go again. You're always on my case about something.
Because I'm the only one who notices when this house looks like a tornado hit it.
Look, this isn't working. You and I, we're arguing all the time, and I hate it.
Yeah, me too. So I was thinking, maybe we should try seeing a marriage counselor.
A counselor, really?
Yeah, I know it sounds awkward, but we need help, Carson. This isn't just going to fix itself.
I don't know, Wendy, talking to some stranger about our problems, it feels weird.
What's weirder, talking to someone who can actually help, or spending the rest of our lives arguing about dishes and football?
Okay, fine, let's try it. But if they start telling us to write love poems to each other, I'm out.
Deal.
So did you hear about Sweetheart Shores? They're filming a spin-off.
A spin-off? About what?
It's about Kelly's long-lost twin sister. Okay, what's up? You look off.
It's just everything at home. The kids are always fighting. Carson and I keep arguing about the dumbest things. So we've decided to try seeing a marriage counselor.
Really? That's great. It shows you both care enough to fix things.
Yeah, I hope so. But I'm not totally sold on it.
Why not?
Because Seth recommended her.
Seth, as in our Seth? Oh, this I've got to hear.
Apparently, she's some miracle worker who helped Seth's co-worker's cousin's neighbor's dog, Trainer's wife. I mean, what if she's some kook who makes us sing healing songs to each other?
Jokes aside, I think you're doing the right thing. And hey, if this counselor is weird, at least you'll have some hilarious stories to tell me later.
True, I'll keep you posted. Sorry for staring, but you look just like Seth when he's trying to look smart. Are you related?
Oh no, but Seth and I grew up together. We're practically brother and sister. Okay, tell me what's going on. I'm here to help.
So, Dr. Mumblewick, it just feels like we can't talk without it turning into an argument.
And we're both just tired. It's exhausting.
The kids aren't helping either. They're always fighting, and it drives us crazy.
I can't even get through a day without breaking up at least 3 arguments.
And Noah's latest thing is leaving his toys everywhere like a tiny tornado hit the house.
Well, there's no hope. You'll have to divorce.
Are you serious, Dr. Mumblewick?
Yeah, Dr. Mumblewick, what are you talking about?
Oh, it's obvious. You're completely doomed. But hey, on the bright side, I do offer individual sessions if you want help navigating the single life.
Are you kidding me?
This is ridiculous. Let's go, Wendy.
Okay, no problem. You'll thank me someday. Don't forget to leave a review on my website.
I can't believe Dr. Mumblewick said we need a divorce, like just flat out boom, no hope.
Honestly, it's like she didn't even listen to us.
Hey, you guys, what are you two up to?
Oh, nothing, just errands. Where are you guys heading out to?
We're heading to the park for a picnic, then maybe some paddle boating, and later, we're catching a movie at the outdoor cinema.
And I'm going to crush them all at Ultimate Frisbee.
In your dreams, Josh.
That sounds like fun.
You should come with us. It'll be a blast.
We'd love to, but we have to pick up the kids.
Rain check then?
Definitely.
You know we used to be like that.
Yeah, we were always out having fun.
When did it all get so hard?
I guess when we got busy being parents, but that doesn't mean we can't find our way back.
Maybe we should start having date nights again. Just us.
A couple of times a month, we can make it work.
And no excuses, even if Noah builds a tower the size of the house, or Maya's rolling her eyes every 5 minutes.
You got yourself a deal.
Thanks for babysitting the kids, guys.
Well, if it isn't my favorite couple, Wendy, Carson.
Oh, hi, Dr. Mumblewick.
So, how's it going? I assume you would like to thank me for my brilliant advice.
Actually, no. We wanted to tell you that you were wrong. Our marriage isn't doomed and we're doing great now.
You said we had no hope. Well, guess what, Dr. Mumblewick? We're back on track.
Of course you are. I knew it all along.
What are you talking about, Dr. Mumblewick?
Oh, it was obvious. The only issue you had was the pressure of parenthood. I could see right away that you two love each other deeply.
Then why tell us we should divorce?
Reverse psychology. It works like a charm. Sometimes people just need a little push to realize how much they care about each other. Don't forget to update your review on my website. 5 stars, okay?
Oh, that Dr. Mumblewick is something else.
Here is some useful vocabulary and phrases from this episode. Feel free to pause and take a screenshot.
All this is provided to you by Vox International Online English School. For more information on our 2 to 6 group lessons, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.